Industrial accidents in the country occur far too frequently, often resulting in a high number of deaths and injuries. The latest deadly tragedy at an industrial establishment occurred on Tuesday evening when a boiler reportedly exploded in a new Karachi factory. The unit was located in a thickly populated neighborhood and resulted in at least 10 deaths while the factory building was destroyed. Neighboring structures were also badly damaged. Investigators on Wednesday said they were still trying to probe the nature of the blast. However, this tragedy, like others before it, will also soon fade from memory until the next industrial accident result in loss of life. While this may be a pessimistic viewpoint, the fact is that official does little to enforce health and safety regulations at industrial concerns which pave the way for accidents such as these. The 2012 Baldia factory fire tragedy, though a criminal act, was worse by the fact that safety measures at the unit was inadequate. Laws concerning occupational health and safety are, of course, on the books, but as with other laws in Pakistan, there is still to motivate the state to enforce such regulations even though lives are at stake. It is not unusual in Pakistan to have industrial units located in heavily populated residential areas. At times, accidents have occurred when materials stores in these factories have exploded. Moreover, Karachi has witnessed a rising trend of using houses in purely residential neighborhoods as with no check over the material stored in these buildings. Also, in many industries, workers have to deal with materials without safety gear or taking precautions. All this is a disaster waiting to happen unless the authorities get serious about ensuring that industrial concerns start following health and safety laws. The relevant government departments must ensure that factories and workshops are to safety regulations and that those units dealing with chemicals or materials are located in industrial zones far from residential areas. Difficult words spelling occurred. OCCURRED exploded. EXPLODED thickly. THICKLY pessimistic. PESSIMISTIC paves. PAVES heavily. HEAVILY